TheJbeans.net.
Castaway Key is Disney Cruise Line's exclusive private island that is located in the Bahamas, about 70 miles north of Nassau. This private retreat features 3 large beaches, including an adults-only beach, a supervised kids area, water activities, water slides, a complimentary barbecue, and much more. Ships dock at the island, which makes it easy to disembark and enjoy your day. The dock area is quite large, with plenty of room to find your way to the beaches and activities. Along the way, you'll find a towel station, kitschy photo ops, the Castaway Key post office, where you can send mail using Bahamian stamps, a small board with island information, the Marge's Barges area, which is home to parasailing, fishing charters, and more, and a large Castaway Key map that is a duplicate of the paper handout map that is available. At the end of the dock, you'll find the cargo handling tram stop, which has service to the Scuttles Cove tram stop and the start of the island's many attractions. According to the sign, the tram runs every 6 minutes. If you decide to skip the tram and walk, signs will point you to stay on the path to avoid the tram road. Along the way, you'll see a Castaway Key photo op with your ship in the background. The walk to Scuttles Cove and Castaway Family Beach is 7 minutes, according to another sign. A Welcome to Castaway Key archway sign on the path provides another great photo op with the island's attractions in the background. As you get closer to the island's beaches and attractions, a sign points the way to many points of interest. Scuttles Cove, which is the complimentary island home of the ship's kids program, is located immediately to the right. Check-in and check-out for the program work similar to the onboard program. Nearby, complimentary wagons, strollers, and beach wheelchairs are available. The water in this area is part of the boating harbor, which features opportunities for renting paddle boats, sea kayaks, aquatrikes, and more. Prices are listed as half-hourly rates. Many floats and tubes are also available for rent and are priced for daily rental. You can book your rental at the nearby Gills Fins and Boats building. The boating harbor area is also home to Castaway Ray's Stingray Adventure. Even from a distance, it's easy to spot the many stingrays that you can encounter as part of the paid experience. As you continue along the beachfront, you'll soon come to the first of the Castaway Family Beaches, which features a snorkeling lagoon and swimming lagoon. Many complimentary loungers and umbrellas are scattered throughout the large beach area. There are also several complimentary hammocks available, and a ropes course-like structure in the swimming lagoon that was very popular with kids during our visit. Take note that several complimentary water stations are located throughout the island, especially near the beach areas. Cookie's Barbecue is located behind the snorkeling and swimming lagoon beach area. The restaurant features a complimentary barbecue and a significant amount of covered seating. There are also some picnic tables with umbrellas located nearby. During our visit, the barbecue was served from 11:30 a.m. to 2 o'clock p.m. and featured hot dogs and burgers, barbecue, marinated chicken, corn, sauerkraut, vegetarian bean chili, and mahi-mahi, flatbread pizza, couscous, tabbouleh, and coleslaw, tomato and onion salad, and potato salad, chips, and desserts and fruit. Drink stations at the restaurant provide complimentary water, sports drinks, and soda. Smoothies and frozen drinks are also available for an additional charge. Take note that another Cookies barbecue, Cookies 2, is located behind the other Castaway Family Beach area. Directly across from Cookies Barbecue is a conked-out bar, which serves adult beverages for an additional charge and has about 20 bar stools available for seating. Just before leaving the first Castaway Family Beach area, you'll find in-the-shade games, which includes giant checkers, a shuffleboard court, 3 billiards tables, 3 basketball shooters, 2 table tennis tables, and 2 table soccer tables. Between the first and second Castaway Family Beach areas, a hair braiding station offers services for a nominal fee. Also, a couple Bahamian retail shops sell local arts and crafts, clothing, trinkets, and more. Just before the second beach area, the Flippers and Floats building has snorkel equipment, tubes, and floats available for rent. Pelican Point is also located in this area. The small peninsula provides a nice view of the beaches, the water, and your cruise ship in the distance. During our visit, Pelican Point was used for a small wedding ceremony for 2 passengers. The second Castaway Family Beach is very similar to the first, but a big difference is the floating splash park that features 2 water slides, 1 closed tube and 1 open, and several water features and sprayers. Near the beach, Olaf's Summertime Freeze offers several frosty smoothie drinks for purchase, and a merchandise store is available to buy souvenirs, clothing, and more. Also nearby, 3 beach sports areas feature volleyball, soccer, and tetherball. And many bikes are available for rent if you want to pedal your way around the paved areas of the island. If you enjoy a good run, take note that this area of the island is the start and finish for the Run Disney Castaway Key 5K Challenge. Participants who finish the run receive a challenge medal. According to the Disney Cruise Line website, all registered participants receive a medallion, shirt, and personalized race bib. For adults that want a bit of time away from all the kids, Serenity Bay is a complimentary, exclusive beach area for adults only. You can walk, ride a bike, or take the tram from the Pelican Point tram stop along the old airplane landing strip to Serenity Bay. Several small private cabanas are available for rent at Serenity Bay, including individual massage cabanas. Bikes, floats, and tubes are also available to rent at the nearby Windsock Hut. Serenity Bay has an adults-only barbecue available that features the same food and drinks as Cookies Barbecue, and there are several picnic tables with umbrellas available for seating. If you want an adult beverage, Castaway Air is available nearby for service. The high wind weather during our visit made for a not-so-serene beach, but we thoroughly enjoyed Serenity Bay during a previous visit with much calmer weather. During that visit, the complimentary beach chairs were great to take into the water and have a sit in the ocean. Finally, take note that signage on the island is quite plentiful, with directional signs and island maps available in many areas. Also, 5 restrooms are spread throughout the island. Outside the restrooms, showers, foot wash stations, and a towel return bin are available.